Hey guys, Keith here, Keith Jones Fish Guide, Kentucky. Hey, had yesterday and today off, so I'm back on the lake again, and to my surprise, there's a huge tournament going on. I mean, there must have been more than 100 trucks in a parking lot, so I was like, oh. So I already came out to the lake, so I went to another more quieter launch ramp, got out here, and it's just boats zooming, and when boats are zooming, you know they ain't catching fish. So anyways, I'm over here. I'm mid-lake. The water is a little bit clearer over here, and I'm going to start fishing with swim baits. I like using the sexy shad, the chartreuse, and the white. So kind of fishing in 30-40 feet of water with some rocks, boulders, and trees, and just kind of see how it goes. So let's go fishing. Okay, that's not bad. Oh, gonna start off with smallmouth, huh? Okay, there's a pretty little smallmouth. All right, boy, you go back and grow up. So when I take people out fishing, guiding, I don't claim to say, hey, I'm going to guarantee you 5-7 pound fish. That ain't going to happen. You really can't control what size fish bite your lure. I'm out here to have fun and to show people, how to catch some handful of fish with artificial bait without getting your hands all gummied up with worms and shiners and crawdads. And let's go artificial and see what we can do. We work with the high skies, the cloudy skies, the temperature, the hot, the cold, water temperature, the clarity, and we pick our lures and we make adjustments. So I'm not doing this to compete with anybody or anything. I'm just having fun, and I want to show people how to have fun too. So if not for a good trip, we might see a couple bald eagles. The beautiful scenery, this lake is just beautiful. There's waterfalls everywhere. It's a deep, clear lake, plenty of room to fish. Just all about having a good time. I don't catch any fish to keep. I throw all my bass back. Like I said, you can't really help the size fish you catch. I mean, you can catch a 10-pound spot. No, you ain't gonna catch a 10-pound spot. You can catch a 10-inch spotted bass, and then the next cast you can catch a 2-pound smallmouth. And that's the fun about fishing. Not going to stress out about it, just enjoy the day, and just the fun thing is, if by catching fish with artificial lures, it's just an awesome feeling. trying out different lures, kind of putting a pattern together of what's working. Like I said, not going to catch a bunch of, not going to catch five and 7 pound fish. It's just not going to happen. Whether I catch a 10-inch spotted bass or a 2 pound smallmouth, it's just fun being out here. So I know that tournament today, fishing is kind of rough today. I think because we got a storm coming in tomorrow, and I'll tell you right now, out of those 100 150 boats that went out today, I guarantee you 50 60 of them came back with it empty-handed. That's just the nature of the game. Oh, ooh, that was a good fish. Ooh, that was a good fish. Okay, so there we go, right there, guys. That's not bad. Okay, so I'm looking at the fins here. It's a solid fin from back to front, and he has the lateral lines that are dotted, and the bone right here on the mouth does not go past the eye. This is a spotted bass. Beautiful, fun to catch. No, he's not a 5 pounder. No, he's probably not the legal size, but he's fun to catch. I'm gonna put him back and I'm gonna get him next year. He's gonna be twice as big. Here we go. Not big, but fun. Let's see what he is. He's chunky, that's for sure. Okay. The jawbone does not go past the eye, and the fins are all one solid piece. That's a spotted Kentucky spot. Just nothing but fun all day long. Here we go. Okay. Oh. Okay. Bone does not go past the eye. Solid fin. It's another spot. Just having fun. All right, buddy. Oh, yeah. There's a beauty. Look at that. Smallmouth. Look at that boy. Boy, I hope a lot of guys got some nice fish like this today. That was a big tournament. Look at that boy. All right. I'm gonna put you back. You a good boy. Got 21.5 feet of water. Oh yeah. There we go. Yeah. Spotted. See, one cast you catch a big old smallmouth. Next cast you catch a little spot. But it's fun. It's fun, fun, fun. All right, buddy, go back. There we go. Come on, boy. Oh, look how fun this is. You know what this is? Now I would call that a slab, huh? What do you think about that? That was a big old crappie. He says, yeah, I want that jig. There's a big boy. Big old crappie. All right, buddy, you going back? You're going to get another pound heavier next year. Okay? Hey guys, gonna wrap it up for today. Another fun day. I used it. I was trying tubes this morning, plastics, worms, crankbaits, red crankbaits, deep divers, square bills, and I didn't get really nothing. So I switched over to a swim bait, and like I said, the traffic on the lake today was unbelievable. Everywhere you sneeze, you see a boat. So what I figured out is give your first hour a try out. I got to figure out what the fish are biting on, what's it gonna take. So just go through your tackle box, go through your stuff. So I got on that swim bait, and there it was. But it wasn't just casting fish. It was these fish were so scared of all the noise of all these boats that they were hugging the structure, like the rocks and the trees. I mean, they were right on them. They were just right there. So I would cast beyond them and let my line sink to the tree and just jig it and reel it slow. And they would just kind of reach out and smack it with their fin and put it in their mouth. And that was it. But boy, I'll tell you, it was tough, but not a bad day. I mean, got two smallmouth. One of them was pretty good size. The rest of them were all spots. I'd say I had a fun day. I was just casting and catching. So that's what it's all about. Anyways, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, take someone fishing. They'll love it. And like I said, I try to tell you high skies, cloudy skies, water temperature, air temperature, summer, winter, whatever I'm doing, picking out a pattern. And I'll take you guys fishing with me. Like I said, I'm not here to guarantee I'm going to catch a 5-7 pound fish. Nope, ain't going to happen. When I take people out guiding, it's fun. It's look at the bald eagle, look at the waterfall. Oh yeah, here, let's catch this fish. It's just fun catching fish with artificial bait. I don't keep anything. I catch it, take a picture of it, throw it back in. That's the fun part about it. It's the thrill of the hunt. So have a blessed day, guys. See you next time.